Is your garage door making strange noises or moving slower than usual? These are clear signs it needs immediate attention. Ignoring these issues can lead to costly repairs or even safety hazards. Let's explore the top 5 signs your garage door requires professional repair. First, unusual grinding or squeaking sounds often indicate worn rollers or broken springs. Second, if your door moves slowly or hesitates, the opener might be failing. Third, a door that refuses to close properly could have sensor problems. Fourth, visible damage or dents can affect operation. Lastly, if the door feels unbalanced or jerky, it's time to call an expert. Broken springs, worn rollers, opener malfunctions, and faulty sensors are common culprits behind garage door failures. These issues disrupt your day and compromise safety. Professional technicians can quickly diagnose and fix these problems to restore smooth operation. Regular inspection and lubrication extend your door's lifespan and prevent breakdowns. Always follow safety guidelines and avoid DIY repairs that might worsen the problem. When in doubt, call trained professionals for reliable service. For dependable garage door repair in Oklahoma City, trust experienced companies like Fix It Fast Garage Doors. They offer prompt, safe, and affordable solutions. Call 405-266-0888 today to keep your garage door running smoothly.